Hello everybody, happy almost Christmas and New Year's. We got a meet in Saint Pete, a little JDM meet. Just gonna walk around and show you guys what we got going on in Florida here. It's still like 50 degrees, so but yeah, just want to make a quick video and get this over to you guys and see if you enjoy it. R33 Skyline. This meet is somewhere in Saint Pete, Tyrone Mall. This is the nicest car. I mean, I love all these cars, but to see an FC clean with some Volk T37s, red, Turbo 2. Nice. Super. Shane's car. ZX, another R33. It's dark area, there's not much lighting. We're gonna move, but Z240Z, Supra, FDRX7 with some endless brakes, I believe. Super clean RX7. Another R33. R32 over there. Florida's got some pretty decent JDM cars. Things cool. Pretty good meet. It's still early. Not sure if any more people are gonna come out. It's 2 days before Christmas, so but I saw this the other day. This was a really sick. This is a really sick NSX. It's on air ride suspension, great livery, sick car, badass. It should be the thumbnail. All right. Well, you guys know my brother's car. It's been running really good. Sounds really good. Been pretty solid. Looking good. It's Buddy Min's car. 2JZ S14. Right-hand drive, S13. Ladies' seats. I don't know where these Recaros came from. It's pretty sick. Interior looks good. Clean. Wow, carbon dash in this. Carbon seats. Sick.
It's on the driver's side too, though.
FC looks good now. FD behind it. Beautiful color on this FD. Oh, look at the I forgot what this is called. Louvers. Guys, we're getting out of here. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. Just want to give you guys a quick end of the year video. A lot of updates this year come with the drag Carmen Ghia. So see you next time.